The sun is shining in our beautiful green garden today. Listen, I can hear a tiny animal crying near the tree. Look up there. A little cat is stuck on the branch. Come down here, sweet little kitty. We want to help you. I will run to get Mother and Father to help us.
Oh dear, that branch is very high up in the air.
Right then.
I will stretch my arms up high to reach the branch.
My hands are too short. I cannot touch the high wood.
Come on down, little friend. Snacks for you. I have some sweet food inside this small plastic dish. Look at the dark clouds. A big storm is coming now. The poor kitten is slipping. It cannot hold the wet bark. Please save the little cat before the heavy rain starts falling.
Stay back, children. I must find a clever tool very quickly. I am opening the garage door to get the folding ladder. I will place this silver ladder against the strong tree trunk.
I am holding the metal base tightly so it stays safe.
I am climbing up the silver steps very carefully now, family. Do not be afraid, little kitty. I have a gentle hand. I have the soft, fluffy kitten safely inside my arms now. All right, little guy, just a few more steps.
Meow.
There we go, safe and sound on the grass.
Hooray! Father rescued the small white cat from the dangerous tree.
The little cat is safe on the green grass floor now.
The sweet kitten is purring and rubbing against my sports shoes. The hungry kitty is eating the crunchy food from the bowl.
You kids did a wonderful job by showing real kindness today. Children must never climb high trees without an adult standing nearby.
I promise to stay on the ground and follow the rules. Working together as a team keeps everyone safe and very happy.
I am decorating the living room for a surprise party.
I have some beautiful, colorful banners for the wall. My red toy truck is driving very fast on carpet.
Leo, please put your toys away in box now.
I want to play with my red truck a little more.
I need to find the shiny silver glittering closet.
Here,
is the massive bucket filled with silver glitter.
The colorful banner looks very nice on the wall. Ah! Look at the high, colorful banner on the wall.
This heavy blue bucket is full of shiny glitter. I am carrying the silver glitter to the table.
Be very careful because the bucket is so large.
I cannot see my feet behind this big bucket.
Oh no, my foot is hitting a hard object. Help me, I am losing my balance right now. Oh no, the bucket is flying in the air.
Look out! The silver glitter is exploding everywhere. The whole living room is turning shiny and white.
My face is completely covered in shiny silver dust.
Oh my goodness, you look like a silver robot. This is a very funny and sparkly mess, Father.
What happened to our clean living room today, family?
The entire floor is covered in messy silver dust.
I tripped over something on the floor rug, Grace.
Look, Leo's red toy truck is sitting right here.
Leo, did you leave your red truck on floor?
Yes, Mother. I forgot to put my truck away.
Leaving toys on the floor can cause bad accidents.
You must always listen when we tell you something.
I am very sorry for causing this big accident.
We need the big orange vacuum cleaner to tidy up.
Take this hose and help your father clean everything.
I will clean every piece of silver glitter now.
I will sweep the large piles of glitter together.
I am gathering the party decorations safely over here. The vacuum machine is sucking up all the mess.
Let us wipe the silver dust off your face. Clean up your floor toys immediately to prevent tripping.
A safe floor keeps our family happy and healthy.
Keeping our home tidy makes every day safer and smoother.